Richard from Baytown has a question about a radiant barrier.
It's for his shed, Tom. Richard writes, it's a 16 by 24 with a 16 by 16 loft area in it. So it's a nice size space, and we're transforming it into a little shop living area. It has metal roof that's open to the rafters right now, and he wants to know, do you recommend a radiant barrier installed before we finish out the interior?
Yes. If it's a she shed, she deserves.
Or he shed. It could be
said she shed.
It could be a he shed, too.
He said she said.
Right.
Anyway, yes, radiant barriers work for all structures, even if it's a garage. I would do it for sure.
Would a spray-on work for an attic like that, or should he do the foil
No, but
thing?
here's the issue you got. You got an exposed metal roof on the inside.
Right.
And if you're going to create a air-conditioned space in there, you have a sweating problem. So the first thing you have to do is put insulation against the metal. Okay, so that's just step number one. And if you want to get an insulation with a radiant barrier on there, they do make bubble packs and stuff, and this would be one case I would say, if you put it on right, would work. But a radiant barrier in any building, depending how you finish out the inside, I'm not sure how you're doing it, is something you should definitely consider, even if it means hanging it after you put the insulation against the metal, but that means not a spray, but a foil product that you would hang. But yeah, radiant barriers work.
Now, this insulation you're talking about putting on a metal roof, this could be potentially the spray foam stuff you put up against the metal.
You can, I guess you could do that, but I'm afraid it would fall after a time. It won't stick to it.
So you put fiberglass like right up against it?
They make a vinyl-clad fiberglass for metal.
Okay.
That would go up against it. It's not an insulation to save energy. It just keeps it from sweating. So you got to watch the sweating problem if you're going to air condition and heat the inside.
My understanding, you've said for years, the key is just not to let air gather on the other side.
Yeah, it reaches dew point, and then just it's like koozie on a beer can. That's the only way to say it. The radio in the old days, we used to go away koozies. Now they're vinyl covers that are very expensive that we can't put on.
And we're not giving those away.
We're not giving those away.
All right, but we are giving away free answers to your questions. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom forum you'll find there at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it like these videos over here. And if you subscribe to our channel, click our bell, we guarantee we'll ring yours when we post a new one.